In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up GnuCash data. If you've ever worried about losing your account setup or you just want a clean way to preserve your accounting structure before making big changes, this quick process will help you export a backup of your accounts. This export captures your chart of accounts, the folders and accounts you've organized, so you can rebuild that structure later if needed. It's a great safety net before reorganizing, starting a new file, or moving your setup to another computer. Start with GnuCash open on your desktop. At the top of the window, look for the menu bar and go to File. This is where GnuCash keeps most of its core actions, including options for saving, importing, and of course, exporting. From the File menu, click on Export. You'll see several export choices, but for a backup of your account structure, click on Export Accounts. This tells GnuCash you want to save a copy of your account's layout, things like your income, expense, asset, and liability accounts, without touching your transaction history. Think of it as a blueprint of your bookkeeping framework. GnuCash will now prompt you to locate a save location. Choose a folder you know you'll remember, such as your documents or a dedicated finance folder. If you use a cloud-synced folder, that can add an extra layer of safety because your backup will be stored off your device as well. When naming the file, add a clear description and today's date, for example, something like Accounts Backup 2026 or 122. A good file name makes it easier to spot the right backup when you need it later. Once your location and file name look good, export. GnuCash will create a compact file that contains your account hierarchy in a portable format. That file can be imported into a new or empty GnuCash file to recreate the same structure, saving you hours of setup time. A couple of quick tips to make this habit really effective. Consider exporting your accounts before major changes or at the end of each month, and keep a few older copies so you can roll back to a previous layout if needed. Remember, this export focuses on the account structure. Your day-to-day transactions live in your main GnuCash data file. Keeping both your data file and this account's export in organized, clearly labeled folders will make your bookkeeping more resilient and easier to manage. That's it. You went to File, clicked Export, selected Export Accounts, chose a save location, and exported. A simple, reliable way to protect the backbone of your finances.